What is up, my beautiful children? Today we're going to be getting dog pee off of the bed.
Off of the bed. You mean dog poo? Oh, I thought you said
Pee. It's pee.
pee.
This is going to be a tricky one. So the products we're using, this to disinfect it. Mind you, we already have pine sauce disinfectant. This to get the scent, to get the pee scent out. This to disinfect it some more. And this to get the germs out. And the person who did this is her. Get your nose out.
Goldie did it. Goldie did it. Her name is not Goldie.
Her name is Dior, and she is a very bad little girl, you know? She peed on the bathroom floor once.
So let's get started with today's video.
So first things first, we're going to be using the pine sauce. The pine sauce. Because the pine sauce, it gives 99.99% of the germs out. And mind you, if we add this with this, we're going to be okay.
We're going to be okay.
So, we need a rag.
I'm going to show them what you're doing. I'm going to record you.
No, don't record me. So, first things first, we're going to have this rag to help us. Why a rag? Please tell me why a rag. The rag, it like this, or all the substances on it. Let's do that. So, ready, steady, go. So, let's get the pine saw.
And pull it everywhere.
Not pour it everywhere.
Even on me. No, girl. You early did. I'm a germ. You look like pee.
I know.
When you put it out, it used to stay like pee. Look here. Look your stuff up.
This is, if I don't come back, guys, please help me. I'm just kidding. We don't need help. We're just going to get in trouble a little bit. So, yeah.